Malilive.
Kami ng special prize yung may pinakamaganda kumanta ng happy birthday. So everyone, are you ready to sing?
Yes!
Come on, are you ready to sing, guys?
Yes!
Very good. In the count of 3, 2, 1, and sing.
Happy birthday! May prize daw yan. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you!
Wow, gutom na kayo? Hindi pa naman. Hindi pa naman? Okay, one more time everyone. With clapping our hands, okay? Kasama palakpak. Ready? And sing! Happy birthday! Ready and sing!
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday! Happy birthday to you!
There you go. Now Denise, may napili ka na ba? Maliban sa'yo. You can point. Sino?
Totoo!
Sino? Chrislene. May I call Chrislene? Yan, dito po tayo. Palakpakan naman natin! First girl na nagkaroon ng prizes. Okay, what's your name again?
Chrislene,
Chrislene. How old are you?
12.
Well, what do you want to be when you grow up someday? What do you want to be? Gusto mo ba maging doctor, nurse, a flight steward, a pilot maybe? Anong gusto mo paglaki? A doctor. Yeah, very good. Now, please greet our celebrant, ate.
Happy birthday, Denise.
May prize tayo. You can claim your prize to Tita, yung naka-pink. What's her name? Tita Joy. Tita Joy, meron tayong first winner. Ayan. Ayan. Claim mo na lang kay Ate Joy yung prizes mo, okay? There you go. Palakpakan naman natin si Grace Lee. Ay, 50 pesos? Wow, that's good. How about you guys? Gusto niyo magkaroon ng 50 pesos? Ha? Ako gusto niyo naman sumaya. Alright. Okay. Meron tayong first warm-up game, guys. Kasama yung adult. Even adult can join in this game, guys. We've scattered a Hello Kitty stickers. Maybe it's at the back of your chair, maybe it's under your table. Pag nakakita kayo ng isang sticker, magkakaroon kagad kayo ng prize. Ready? Are you ready, guys? Get set? Let's play some music, kuya. Let's find the missing sticker. Go! Once again, everybody, good afternoon. This is the 12:30 party team, and of course, there's a lot of games and surprises for you, everybody. Oh, before I forgot, from Executive Clown Zone, my name is Ian, your host. Together with my company clown. Okay, dito po tayo. First sticker winner. Okay, sino pa po? May dalawa pa. Here, kuya. One more. One more Hello Kitty sticker. Meron tayong dalawa dito in front. I need one more. It's only at the back of your chair, everybody. All you have to do is stand up and look at the back of your chair. Come on. Okay. The moment of truth, everyone. Isang upuan. Sino kayo mananalo? Anong pangalan mo, kuya?
Justine.
Justine. At si?
JM.
JM. Magpinsan. Ah, magchuhin. Sino chuhin? Tita. Sila yun, ah. Okay, ready na? Ready na? Ready si kuya? Okay, play some music, kuya. Wala man na sumayaw? Sabi niyo magaling ito. Nahihila pa. Mayamiyang konti. Mayamiyang konti. Ho-ho! Kakapi si kuya. Ginamit yung pagiging matanda. Huwag ganun, kuya. Okay? Ikot! Ikot lang po. Ayan na. Talaga ng chuhin eh. Wala. Wala pa? Okay, anyway. Gaganti naman, kuya. Kuya, pakigreet yung ating celebrant.
Ano, teka lang. Kasi gaga... Be! Ano number ng Be? Ano, 7-2?
Okay. Ready na ba kayong makilala yung ating guest? Yes? Sasayaw po siya. Everyone? Si Banana. Banana! Bako eh. Okay. At guys, palakpakan natin siya. Maghahanong siya ng isang saya.
this song just looking at you. Oh, yeah, the drums they swing low, and the trumpets they go. And the trumpets they go. Yeah, the trumpets they go. Is it weird that I hear violins whenever you're gone? Whenever you're gone. Is it weird that your ass remind me of a Kanye West song? Kanye West song. Is it weird that I hear trumpets when you turn me on? Turn me on. Is it weird that your bra remind me of a Katy Perry song? Every time that you get undressed, I hear symphonies in my head. I wrote this song just looking at you. Oh, yeah, the drums they swing low, and the trumpets they go. And they play it for you, girl. And the symphonies in my head. Symphonies in my head. I wrote this song just looking at you. Yeah, the drums they swing low,
Yeah.
trumpets they go.
Doon po sa mga magpapa-autograph kay Minions, wala po siyang pension.
Palakpakan naman natin sa mga everyone!